Hi guys, good day, it's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class is all about arranging the following integers in increasing order and decreasing order. So without further ado, let's do this topic. Now before we answer number 1 and number 2 class, you need to understand more with regards to the number line for you to answer this one easily. So if we have this number line class, once again class, the numbers going to the right, okay, once again, the numbers going to the right on the number line, those numbers are increasing. So once again, these numbers are increasing. Going left to right. Once again, going left to right, those numbers are increasing. So therefore, we can say that 4 is greater than 1. Once again, we can say that 4 is greater than 1 because 4 is on the right of positive 1. Positive 4 is on the right of positive 1. We can also say that positive 2 is greater than negative 2. Why is that, sir? Because positive 2 is on the right of negative 2. Simple as that, class. Just remember that when numbers going to the right, those numbers are increasing. And then numbers going to the left, okay, right to left, going to the left, these numbers are decreasing. Alright, so numbers going to the left, right to left, these numbers are decreasing. So we can say, okay, once again, we can say that negative 5 is less than negative 2. Question, why is that, sir? Because negative 5 is on the left of negative 2. Once again, negative 5 and then negative 2 is here. Negative 5 is on the left, so this is left of negative 2. Therefore, negative 5 is less than. Negative 5 is less than negative 2 because negative 5 is on the left of negative 2. We can also say that positive 2, example class, positive 2 and then positive 5. Of course, we can say that positive 2 is less than positive 5. Question, why is that, sir? Because positive 2 is on the left of positive 5. So therefore, the numbers going to the left, those numbers are decreasing. So if you understand this one class, I'm sure it's very easy to arrange this one. Alright, so let's have first increasing order. This will be our given. So once again, let me just write down the given again. So we have negative 6, positive 5, 0, 12, and then negative 2. So let's have increasing order. So that would be least to greatest. That would be increasing order. Alright, so we have negative 6, positive 5, 0, 12, and then negative 2. So once again, class, we start at the least going to the greatest, and that would be increasing order. Least to greatest. Alright, so we have negative 6. So once again, negative 6 is here. If this is negative 5, therefore, negative 6 will be here. Okay, so least to greatest, so we have negative 6. Next, do we have another negative number? Yep, we have negative 2. Negative 2 is here. So negative 2. So therefore, negative 6 is less than negative 2. So negative 2 is greater than negative 6 because negative 2 is on the right of negative 6. So negative 6, negative 2. Next will be 0. So next will be 0. Next will be 5, positive 5. Once again, 12 is greater than positive 5. Positive 5 and then 12. That's it, class. Easy as that, class. So we have negative 6, negative 2, 0, 5, and then 12. So this will be increasing order. Okay, I will just put IO. This will be increasing order. Alright, so let's have decreasing order. That would be greatest to least. Okay, so we have 12. So simply arrange this one. So we have 12 and then positive 5. So greatest to least. So greatest number 12 and then positive 5 and then 0 and then negative 2 and then negative 6. So this will be decreasing order. You're all set, class. For example, number 1. Easy as that, class. For number 1, this will be our answer. Increasing order, that would be negative 6, negative 2, 0, 5, 12. Decreasing order, that would be greatest to least. We have 12, 5, 0, negative 2, and then negative 6. You're all set for example number 1. Alright, so let's have example number 2. Alright, so let me just copy this one. So number 2, given positive 3, negative 3, 5, 0, and then negative 8. Alright, so once again, we start at increasing order. So that would be least to greatest. That would be increasing order, least to greatest. So least, of course, negative number. So we start at negative number. We have negative 8. Once again, negative 8 is here. This is negative 3. So if we assume this is negative 8 here, and this is negative 3, therefore negative 8 is less than negative 3 because negative 8 is on the left of negative 3. Alright, so we start with negative 8, the least value, negative 8, and then negative 3. Do we have another negative? Nope. It's only negative 8 and then negative 3. And then 0. And then positive 3. And then positive 5. That's it, class. Increasing order. Easy, right? Very easy, class, if you have your number line for you to be guided, class. Alright, and then decreasing order. So just simply arrange this one. Okay, decreasing order, we start with positive 5. Greatest to least, that would be decreasing order. So positive 5, positive 3, 0, negative 3, and then negative 8. And that would be decreasing order. That's it, class. All set. For example, number 2. Easy as that, class. Alright, so you try this one, class. You try this one. We have given negative 5, positive 3, negative 2, 0, and then 1. You try this one and you put your answer on the comment section down below. Let me check, class, if you really understand our topic. So once again, I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You share it to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students. Once again, this is Teacher MJ. Have a great day, class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.